I've been having an issue with water leaking into the car, and so I drilled holes in the floor and sprayed them with anti-rust paint in order so it doesn't rust, but I allowed the water to get out, and because I could not figure out why my car was filling up with water, and it only when you drive it, it's like flooding from under there. Not flooding, but well, yeah, flooding. Screw it. So went to the dealership, and their leak specialist told me to pop the hood. We go over here behind the battery, and there's a grommet right behind that silver. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Right there. It's right here. It's on the firewall. It's not focusing correctly. Try to get under there. It's right there. And so what you do is take that out. Take that out. It should you should be able to take all the leaves and stuff. It's from here. It goes from here and down, and it's not allowing the water to flood to the ground. It's making it stay inside, and so it's getting sucked into the inside of the car. Just did it, and I tapped it, and it just poured out water. Just all of this is water from inside of the car. That's crazy. I just tapped it, and it just poured out. You can just see it back there. But yeah, yep, it's a little black grommet, and I just touched it and it all poured out. So this may be your problem, most likely your problem if you're having the same issue I am. Well, I was. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. I need to clean my engine bay. So yeah, thanks. Peace.